If you're planning Sylius 2.0 upgrade, you have a boring task ahead. You have to open your composer.json file, browse between these 30 packages that you have there and find among them Sylius plugins, check if the plugins are compatible with Sylius 2.0, maybe they are stale or forgotten, and if anyone is working on them to bring it to the 2.0. This work can be tedious, then next week the data that you just found may be stale. So I built the tool, public, free, no email gate, just a place where you can paste your composer.json, see exactly what is the state of the community, and check what do you need to pay attention to, or can you already plan your upgrade. In today's episode, I would like to give you a presentation of what this tool looks like, what you can learn from it, and how to use it. Let's jump straight into it. What you see here is our Plugin Compatibility Radar with all the data that will allow you to audit your composer.json file. On the top of the page, you will see the date of the snapshot. So every day we will refresh our data, so you will have the freshest possible part in your browser. And right now we found 418 plugins, from which 115 are compatible with Sylius 2.x, which is about 25%. Now, below that, you can either check particular plugin or paste your whole composer file if you like. And we have a few examples that will allow me to present you exactly what these plugins are or what this plugin radar actually shows. So this is this sample B2C shop and some plugins that are there. Let's see how it will work if we check the compatibility. Once you click the button, you can see that we found 10 Sylius plugins. Out of them, 6 are ready for 2.x, 3 not yet ready, and 1 is unconverted. We detected Sylius 1.14 version, and now there is several packages that are ready for 2.x. For example, Sylius Refund plugin, which supports easily 2.x. You have some additional metadata, like it contains 1.7 million downloads on Packagist, and direct link to the packages so you can verify our data. So everything you see here is auditable. Now, some packages do not contain any relation to the Sylius, like for example coding standard. So even though it may appear here, there is no Sylius dependency, therefore there is no upgrade risk for that package. Several others are not yet ready because they migrated or they were handed over to Sylius core. Such examples are Bitbug CMS plugin or Bitbug wishlist plugins. Both of them were handed over to the Sylius team, and you can find a note that you have to migrate to Sylius CMS plugin, that is drop in successor. Both repos contain the similar Git history and the contributors, therefore it should be rather easy to migrate, but you need to count additional time. It's not that easy as the things that are ready for 2.x. Some plugins will just not have anything prepared for 2.0, therefore they will just be listed as plugins that not yet ready, as maybe Sylius search plugin. At the end, we also see the ones that are not yet covered. It's quite common that you have your custom plugins that are not listed on the packages, maybe on the private packages, or just download directly from the GitHub. These plugins, we cannot get any intel about them, therefore they're just listed here in not yet covered section, and it's up to you to find out if these plugins support Sylius 2.0. At the bottom, we have also the information about the Sylius dependencies that we found, plus some additional PHP dependencies. Nothing important there for us. Let's move on to the second example. As a second example, we have B2B platform. This one contains smaller list of the plugins. Let's check the compatibility. Now here we have just 7 plugins ready for 2.x. Plugins again contains information about downloads and link to the Packagist. Plus in our example, we have also Sylius Plus dependency. According to the Sylius, whole Sylius Plus package is 2.0 compatible, but it's another plugin that it's closed from us. Therefore, we just leave the information that Sylius Plus should be compatible with 2.0, but you should validate this information with the Sylius itself. The third example, let's take into some more legacy plugins. So we have a small app with the few plugins only. Let's check the compatibility. And now we see that there is one ready for 2.0 to 2.x, one is in progress, 3 are not yet ready, but all of them are covered. So we have Stefan Dorn sitemap plugin that already supports 2.0. There is a Setono Sylius feed plugin that has active PR in review, and you have direct link to the PR. We can see that last updated was in the February, and you can check content of this PR if you would like to know what's the status of that work. And again, we see that some of the plugins are not yet ready. Bitbugs CMS has direct drop-in successor. There is also Setono Sylius redirect plugin that there is nothing, no work is in progress. But there's also Bitbugs Sylius add-in plugin, which is not drop-in successor, but rather a plugin that has more changes that happen in between. Therefore, it will require more work. We also make a note about that. Quick pause here. If you or your CFO are afraid of Sylius 2.0 upgrade, I have great news for you. Sylius Plugin Compatibility Radar is not the only tool that we created. Upgrade checklist is already there and more things are coming, so you will be able to do the upgrade in no time. There is no point in wasting your resources when you can do it in the smarter way and still have a budget for other refactors or feature delivery that your team require. If you would like to join us, you can check the link in the description and you will receive mail information about the newest tools that should allow you to do it. See you there. So how does the Sylius Plugin Compatibility Radar work? Every day we are downloading packages that are tagged with Sylius plugin or Sylius bundle. Check every one of them to see if the newest version support at 2.0, and if not, we are checking the GitHub repositories or of left plugins if there is any movement or any pull requests or issues about that. All the calculation is done also with the Composer server to provide the most reliable data there is possible, so we can actually trust us and this judgment. As mentioned, there are 400 plugins, and we will work to close the gap between what you see here and what is available on the Sylius add-on marketplace. The script itself is not enough. Some of the data is not clearly visible. So, for example, feedback handovers have to be registered, and we try to curate the list so you can trust our judgment. Some of the plugins contains the not drop-in successors like Adient and Molly, and some plugins are rewritten on the moment of the recording of this video. So, for example, Struct will have 2 versions soon that will probably one will be sunset. Therefore, we do not only run the script, but we also try to curate the list with the knowledge and the things that are not easily visible with the packages. Plus, it's also important that we want to take a trace of all the pull requests and issues that are related to the Sylius 2.0 upgrade, so it will be easier for you to have a knowledge or have a perspective when you can count or when should you plan your upgrade path or what effort will be there. Also, let's be clear what it doesn't do. First of all, the data is not live. We are snapshotting it, so we will not kill any server. So there is, of course, some period that you may have a little bit fresher data directly from the packages. It's not an official Sylius tooling, also, let's be clear about that, but it's helping us, so we just wanted to share it with the community. Plus, it does not have any knowledge about commercial or closed source plugins, and you need to be aware of that. The plugin itself will be open sourced, so you can also do it without accessing the website. Plus, if you will find out an issue with our tracker, you are free to submit an issue or pull request to help improve. Also, it's worth noticing that everything that you see here is counted on your side, so you do not send us any composer.json file, everything is counted client side. We just created the list of the knowledge and it's part of the website. So it's there for you. You do not send any crucial data to us. That's the radar, folks. One paste, 30 seconds. You have full audit of your composer.json file. Everything is auditable and you can verify our findings. If you find any bug, please submit an error. I would like to know and improve it over the time. Link to the radar is in the description. You can also check our upgrade Sylius 2.0 knowledge hub when we will share more data. Upgrade checklist is already there. More content like prompts to your cloud will be there as well. And therefore, hopefully you will be able to upgrade your Sylius to 2.0 in no time, use the newest tools, have happy developers, and no security issues. I wish you all this. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.